Back to the ball game. Remaining time 2 minutes and 49 seconds. Aguila. Dadala ng bola. Aguila. Pass to Guevara. Guevara against Cao. Nakuha ni Cao. Cao labas ng Libat. Libat nagmamadali. Libat. Rise. Tugod ako ulit ni Libat. Pass to Corona. Pass to Cao. 50 to shoot. Cao. Pass to sino to?
Sarsones.
Take to shoot. Aquino pumakal na tres. Tugod ako ni sino yun?
Magtibay.
Sorry, nalilitaw yung committee. Gonzales, no good, nakuha ni
Magtibay. Nakapulang short.
Cao, nagmamadali, Eurostep, ang ganda naman nun, tol. 2 points by Cao.
Thank you.
Guevara nagmamadali si Guevara. 2 points by Guevara. Cao naghanap ng usahan si Cao. 50 to shoot. Libat pumungal na dos. Tugod 10 to shoot. Cao nakuha ni Libat 2 points by Libat. Aguila, pass to Guevara. Pass to Magtibay. Nakuha ni Sarsones nga. Pass to Cao. Remaining time natin ay 55 seconds. Cao, pass to Libat. Traveling violation.
Score 10-6. 4 ballers.
Almonte, pass to Guevara. Pass to Aguila pala. Gonzales, pass to Guevara. Tumira ng tres. Nagdakuha ni Libat. Pass to Cao, 30 seconds. Cao, pass to Sarsones. 15 to shoot. Pass to Libat. Libat, plays off the wood. 14 from shot clock natin, 14 Libat. 2 points by Libat. Shot clock is up, 10 seconds. Guevara, nagdadali si Guevara, 5 seconds. Magtibay. Basel Vito.
2. 12-8. 4 ballers.
Back to the ball game. Score po natin 12-8 in favor of 4 bowlers. Silent basketball. Gamba, nakuha ni Cao. Nagmamadali si Cao. Foul. Jersey number 2. First personal foul. First team foul. First shot, no good. Guevara pass to Gonzales. Gonzales fakes. Nakuha ni Guevara. Na-steal ni Aquino. Nagmamadali. Aquino, no good. Nakuha ni Lamban. Lamban ako ni Aquino. Aquino naghanap na basahan. Kau tumira na tres na ginagawa ni Gonzales. Gonzales pass to Guevara. Guevara tumira na tres na ginagawa ni Lamban. Lamban 2 points by Lamban. Kau against Gonzales na iwan ang bantay 2 points by Kau. Almonte pass to Lamban. Lamban pass to Guevara. Guevara pass to Gonzales. Gonzales 15 to shoot. Tumira na 3 to good. Awa ni Aquino. Hitball, idol. Aquino. Naghanap ng mga pasahan na Aquino. Nawala ang bola na kuha ni Almonte. Pass to Guevara. Guevara pass to Gonzales. Gonzales lays up. Nawala kuha ni Lamban. Lamban pass to Gonzales again. Gonzales again. 2 points by Gonzales.
Tayo po.
8 seconds. Violation. Subdivision rep. Subdivision.
Nirael na ano? Nirael live sa camera.
Guevara pass to Lamban. Back to Guevara. Pass to Gonzales. Gonzales bumukol ng 3 to good. Nakuha ni Magtibay. Magtibay pass to Gonzales again. Gonzales. 2 points by Gonzales. Pau nagmamadali na. Pau. Pass to Sarsonas. Sarsonas pass to Liba. 15 to shoot. Lamban. Nawala ang bola. Sarsonas sa kuha ni Kau. Nakuha ni Aguila. Pass to Guevara. Nagmamadali si Guevara. Naghanap sa nakuha ni Kau. Foul. Jersey number 29. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Pass to Libat lays up. Basket at may kasama pang foul. Jersey number 7. First personal foul. Third team foul.
Pag nag-shoot.
Rep, pag nag-shoot, sab tayo. Pag nag-shoot, sab. Wala, mamaya. Lamban. Long pass to Aguila pass to Guevara. Nakipagagawa ng bola. Nakuha ni Libat. Nakuha ulit ni Guevara. Pass to Gonzales. Bumukol ng 3 to good. Nakuha ni Magtibay. Pass to Aguila. Bumukol ulit ng 3 to good. Nakuha ulit ni Magtibay. Pass to Lamban. Lamban fakes. Foul. Sab tayo, ref, sab. Pasok. Jersey number. Who's foul, ref? Jersey number 8.
Ang atin.
First personal foul. First team foul. First throw. Basket.
Score 17-15. 4 ballers.
Second throw. Basket again. Last throw. No good. Nakuha ni Libat. Pass to Kau. against Gonzales. Cao, 50 to shoot. Umira na gunakuha ni Aguila. Pass to Almonte. Almonte pass to Gonzales. Gonzales, nagmamadali si Gonzales. Turnover.
Ang kape.
Guevara, pass to Lamban. Lamban, tumuhol ng tres. Ball. Libat. Libat, nagmamadali si Libat. Long two. Nagunakuha ni Guevara. Guevara, nagmamadali si Guevara. Guevara nakuha ni Cao. Cao drives 2 points by paring Cao. Gonzales pass to Guevara. Guevara pass to Aguila. Ang ganda naman. 2 points by Aguila. Libat against Lamban. Foul. Jersey number 7. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Warning po tayo. Warning.